Hey everyone, Austin Fenner here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, and today we're going to take a look at this 2018 used 287 bunkhouse Jayco, and it's in very good condition. They didn't own it very long. As you can see, you got a nice big pass-through storage right here on the front. You can access that from inside and outside by lifting up the bed, so you got lots of room under there. As you come around, you got a nice electric tongue jack on here, 2 batteries. It is prepped for a portable solar panel, and that's just right there on the front tongue. The other side of your front pass-through storage there. Nice big electric awning, just push a button. That awning will run all the way out, and then you have a big LED light underneath it to give you lots of light outside. Big grab handle here. You do have a screen door, so you can get a good air circulation there. We'll come on inside. Nice big slide, real open floor plan. Lots of storage on this unit. As you first come in, you got some storage there. Overhead storage across from where the TV would be mounted. You got your nice radio here. They got power. Click a button, runs directly from your batteries. Oops, a little loud there. Nice LED lights all the way across. Those will be nice and bright. All you do is push the button right in the center. Overhead storage. Your couch will make into a bed. All you do is grab the front here. That'll fold right out. So it'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can sleep 9 people in here, so room for the whole family. Nice big sink. They give you a cutting board side and a spot to dry your dishes. That'll just drip right back in the sink. More overhead storage. Cups, plates, bowls. Good size microwave. Range hood exhaust. That'll blow all the fumes directly outside. Really big fridge and freezer here. A good feature that they added is this big pantry right here and closet, so you can bring all of your goods with you, and 4 big pull-out drawers. You do have 2 doors. The back door will lead you directly into the bathroom. You can kind of use it as a mud room there. As you see in the corner, you got a nice big step-in shower. Plenty of room back there. And one of the most important features of a bunkhouse is the bunks. These are pretty big, full-size bunks. You can sleep 2 people on the top and bottom. You got your curtains to separate them. They each have their own lights, own windows, and if you're not bringing anyone extra, they double as good storage up there. And then you have a nice big dinette. Let's take a look at the rest of the outside. Right here is your freshwater fill, easy to get to. They do give you nice double axle. Those are Goodyear Wrangler tires, so those are good heavy duty tires. As you work your way around, spare tire right here on the back. You got your cover, nice ladder to go up top and check your roof out. You do have a outside shower that'll do hot and cold water, with the rest of your water connections and your black tank flush all accessible right here on the back. You have your power cord built in, easy to get to there and store, and an extra cubby right here on the outside for more storage. And that looks like it's about it. Once again, this is a used 2018 Jayco 287 bunkhouse. If you guys have any questions, my name was Austin Fenner. My phone number is 541-972-2484. You can reach me at the link below. Thanks everyone.